Have you ever accidentally deleted a video or photo from your phone and later realized it wasn't in your recycle bin, or that your device doesn't even have one? I recently faced this exact situation when I lost a video, and I managed to recover it using a couple of handy apps. First, I used an app called File Recovery. Once installed, you simply tap the round button to begin scanning your device for images, videos, documents, or audio files. As it scans, you can browse through various folders to see which files have been found. When you locate the video you need, select it, hit Recover, and then export it from the designated folder, usually labeled Video, back to your device. One thing to note is that, because the app is free, it displays ads and may reduce the quality of the exported file. The second app is Disk Digger, which is particularly effective at recovering photos, though its video recovery feature is still in trial mode. After launching the app, you'll see options to scan either for pictures or for videos. While scanning for photos might take a bit of patience, it does an excellent job of retrieving deleted images. Keep in mind that recovery apps aren't always perfect, but they usually give you a good chance at getting your files back. Try them out and let me know in the comments if they worked for you. See you in the next video.